What's up, guys? We're back at it. I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys the Terminator skull and everything dry fitted on it. I did a couple of changes for some of the small greeblies, like the mouth pistons and the back pistons and wires. I went ahead and 3D printed those on my resin printer just because they come out in a lot finer of detail that way, and the resin that I use is much stronger than the filament. I also resin printed this plaque here. It just picks up the detail much better, as you can see, versus FDM. FDM is good, but it would just require me to do a little bit more sanding and cleanup that I don't want to do, so I just went ahead and resin printed it. One thing I like about this model as well, guys, is the teeth are all separate. I glued in each teeth separately. After it gets painted and I add my chrome spray paint, I will go back and brush paint the teeth. But yeah, guys, this is an incredible model, extremely accurate looking. It has the removable chip cover here, and you just add in your T2 chip, your cover. These were also resin printed, and after you add it in, you're good to go. But yeah, just look how good the detail is. Now, it's still a little rough because I'm doing some detail work and cleanup. We're almost ready for paint, but you get the idea of just how good that looks. Here, we'll spin it around. I also resin printed these jaw hinges. I was gonna resin print this side piece of the skull, but it looks really good with FDM, and so I just decided to leave it. But yeah, a little bit more cleanup and smoothing out in these areas. Not a whole lot, maybe like an hour or two's worth of work. Yeah, I just been sanding, cleaning this up, and it is almost there. And we have our little wireless switch for the eyes. Really cool, guys. I'm so excited to get this painted. It's gonna look amazing. So yeah, guys, I hope you like it. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. And the next video, we will be getting this painted. I'll show you what I use and how I do it, and we'll see what it looks like finished. What do you say? All right, guys, we're on to the next one. Thank you for watching.